Hello everyone, this is Wonderful Japan Channel. Kumihimo is a traditional Japanese craft made by braiding threads together one by one. It is neither weaving nor knitting. Instead, the threads are crossed diagonally to create a beautifully braided cord. Its history stretches back more than 1,400 years. Kumihimo has supported many parts of Japanese culture, from the swords and armor of samurai to the elegant world of kimono. Today, we will not only learn about Kumihimo, we will experience it with our own hands. Today we are visiting Domyo, a long-established Kumihimo house with more than 370 years of history. Located in Kagurazaka, a neighborhood that still carries the atmosphere of old Edo, this store offers visitors a chance to experience Domyo's beautiful colors and the world of traditional handcraft. Using traditional tools, you braid the threads with your own hands. Here, you do not simply look at a Japanese craft passed down through generations, you experience it. And through that experience, the beauty of Kumihimo feels closer and more personal. Now, let's begin the Kumihimo experience. First, we visit the Kumihimo Museum. Here you can learn about the history of Kumihimo, see the tools used in the craft, and discover many different kinds of Kumihimo cords. It is a chance to understand the beauty and depth of this tradition more closely. Next comes one of the most exciting parts, choosing the thread colors. At Domyo, beautiful silk threads carefully dyed by artisans are used for Kumihimo. From the many colors available, you choose your own favorite combination. The colors you select can greatly change the impression of the finished Kumihimo cord. For this experience, we use a traditional braiding stand called a marudai. The threads are arranged on the round stand, and the wooden bobbins attached to the threads are moved in a specific order. By repeating each movement, the cord is gradually braided little by little. At first glance, it may look very simple, but once you actually try it, you realize it is surprisingly difficult. You have to remember the order of the threads while moving your hands in a steady rhythm. As you concentrate on the movement, the sound of the wooden bobbins begins to feel comforting. With every movement of your hands, the pattern slowly begins to appear. And finally, your very own Kumihimo cord is complete. A one-of-a-kind piece made from the colors you chose and braided with your own hands. To experience a traditional Japanese craft with your own hands, that is the true charm of this Kumihimo experience. When you visit Tokyo, take the time to step into the world of Kumihimo. This channel will continue introducing Japan's wonderful spots. So please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.